Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. Just gonna show you a little bit of an unboxing video. I'm gonna call this series like maybe Chinese and Japanese things on Amazon that you don't really know is good quality until you buy it and then you see for yourself. Really cheap stuff, but anyway, let's see how this goes. Today I have the unboxing of this super pack, a 64-in-1 accessories kit for the GoPro 10, GoPro Hero10, and everything fits in this giant, nice size, good sturdy case. Like, this thing is scratch resistant. It's I guess it's somewhat waterproof, but I'm not gonna say it's waterproof. Today, we have I'm gonna butcher this name, but we have the Husiway Gonna run down a list of all the features in here. We have a waterproof housing, a big carrying bag, silicone case and cap, a selfie stick, a head strap, suction cup, 3-piece filter sets for the underwater housing case, 360 wrist strap, helmet strap, flexible tripod, so you get another little tripod, and the selfie stick also comes with an attachment to make the selfie stick a tripod. Floaty sponge to attach to the waterproof housing so it floats, a remote belt, a helmet arm to extend the helmet, collection bag to put all the little accessories and attachments in, a backpack clip with a 360 adjustable pivot, 12-piece anti-fog little tabs that go inside the waterproof housing to reduce the fog. There's also tripod adapters, bike mounts, safety stainless steel safety ropes so that you don't lose the GoPro, another safety tether with a 3M sticker, base mount, like basic mounts, so you have your regular mounts that also come inside the GoPro, but then they give you extra ones here. 10-piece adhesive kit, so you have a whole bunch of sticky 3M stickies. Flat and curved mounts for either helmets or flat surfaces, a screen protective film for both the front screen, the lens, and the back, a J-hook for another, like a mount, different mount, the one universal screw that goes inside of the attachment to hook the drone onto. You get 4 more of those. We have 2 come in the GoPro case that are a little more quality. I believe those are like aluminum. These are more plastic. A spinner, not really sure what that does. A chest strap, so you have a body cam. A floaty grip, so it's like a selfie stick that floats. A phone remote clip, so you can hook your phone up while you, I guess, just an extra phone clip. Which honestly, I use that little piece. I've already opened it up. It comes with this little ring, and you can actually just put it on your finger and then attach the drone to your finger. So I call it a finger clip. Again, the mini tripod, that attachment that goes to the selfie stick, and then lastly, another phone clip for your phone. So that's pretty cool. So all those pieces fit inside of here. So let's get to it. Alright, look, there we go. See, I already went ahead and I kind of organized it a little bit, because when it comes in here, it's just a whole bunch of pieces and just don't know what's going on. So I did kind of minimalize and put everything in its own little bag that kind of corresponds with it. So let's run through this real quick. First one, we got the chest strap. So this is pretty cool. Definitely gonna take this with me on my trip. It's probably the best thing to use. Cool. Chest strap. So yeah, keep this in this bag that it comes with, so you don't lose all your pieces, because there's a lot here. Alright, so that's one. And we got the helmet extendo clip. This is the mini attachment for the selfie stick that they provide you. It's pretty cool. Here is the selfie stick that they provide you with a nice rubber grip, arm strap so you don't, lose it if it drops. Let's see how long this extends. Alright, that's pretty nice. Boom. It twists and locks in, compresses back, and then this would attach into here. And then use it. Cool. Let's continue on. Alright, so we got the selfie stick. Alright, also microfiber cloth, very clutch. Nice. Alright, here's the tripod with the bendable arms. You can adjust and put it any type of which way you want. It also has a rotating head pivot, so you can flex the GoPro. Here is the strap. I believe I just put all of the little flat and curved attachments on here so I don't lose them. So that's on there, but this is just another strap that came with it and the attachments. That's another safety band. It's pretty nice. There is a silicone housing, which is pretty cool too. So put this over the drone, keep it safe, and so it doesn't get all dinged up. And also, where's the cap? I had the cap here earlier. There's a cap with that as well. All right, what else do we have in here? All right, so we got the anti-fog little tab. So this goes inside of the waterproof housing. And talking about the waterproof housing, here is the waterproof housing. So check this out. This is really cool. Pop the GoPro in there. Lock it back in here. Cool. So these you just kind of throw in there, and then it doesn't fog up apparently. Also we have some, this is the glass protector, so screen protectors in here, and instructions on how to properly put that on there. Definitely gonna put that on there. All right, and then also here are the filters. They come with like a pinkish orange, a purple, and like a reddish orange filter. And these kind of just pop on top of the GoPro on the housing. And there's also a strap so you don't lose them. So you can attach them to the actual case here. So what you do, you pretty much take this and pop it on. Boom. So that's pretty cool. It looks nice. So those are the lenses for the water. I guess it's to reduce blue light. So I guess when you're underwater, it looks cool or something. Somewhat gimmicky, I guess. And so let me make sure that all this goes back into this bag. Alright. And we got your suction cup. So, you put this on the glass in your car, anywhere that's going to allow for good suction, and it has adjustable arms on here and rotating pivot arms as well. That's pretty cool. Suction cup. What else we got? Oh, okay, so this is the belt clip. This is another strap for your belt. Here is that, I forgot what this does. I think I think maybe it helps to lock in the tightening screw. Yeah, because that's the smaller piece. Okay, so yeah, that just kind of Helps you to tighten it if you don't have a good grip. And then I also put the stainless steel safety braid in here, as well as an additional safety braid that they have that's just nylon. It's not stainless steel. That's in there. And here we got the head strap. And I also apparently put in another random strap. The good thing is they do give you directions on what each individual piece does and what it is. So plastic spanner. So this little thing that I was talking about is called a plastic spanner. It helps to fix or release the screws when you connect the camera to other mounts. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. So it does give you a nice detailed explanation of all the things that come inside of the kit. And so yeah, here's the head strap. I don't know if, boom. You just attach the GoPro on top of there, keep it moving. That's pretty cool. Throw all this back in the bag. Another safety thing. All right. All your 3M stickers and adhesives for the curved mounts and the flat mounts. So there's plenty of these in here. Just take them out and use them when you need. I just threw them all in here so they stay secure. And then here's your floaty selfie stick and floaty bar. So this thing, you just put an adhesive, a 3M adhesive on here, and then you stick it on the waterproof housing, and it just kind of floats in the water. This same thing as any attachment, unscrew, reattach, screw it on it. It kind of just floats in the water so you don't lose it. Don't want to lose your GoPro. Don't want to lose your GoPro. So that's that. And then lastly is all of your accessory attachment kits and cell phone holders. So yeah, I don't know why they give you a cell phone clip, but hey, boom, for your tripod. It's another way for you to get more footage from a different angle. Here's the finger clip I was talking about. So let me take this off. So they give you this thing, which I didn't really know what it was, but I thought it was for your finger or something. Because you just pop this off. It has a nice little padded cushion in here. Just throw it on, like adjust it appropriately. Boom. And it has 4 different notches too for size. So boom. And then GoPro would attach onto here. I don't know why you would need a finger mount, but it's kind of what I'm using it for. Ring mount. Put on your ring finger. Attach this back. So here's one of the brackets. Like I said, they give you so many different attachments. Here's the bike clip. So you just put it on your shoulder strap, and then this turns. And it's really tough too, so it's not going anywhere. I mean, it's plastic, but it's really good quality plastic. Handlebar mounts for your bike. And again, a whole bunch of these attachment screws so you don't lose them and can keep your GoPro on tight. Another one. So many of these in here. So throw all these back in here, make sure you don't lose them. Alright, so that is pretty much the unboxing. And here is the case again. The inside of it, it does have, you know, some designations for a couple of the accessories and things like that, but you can just take it out and just throw everything in there if you needed to. So everything fits in there, and this is a really nice case for travel. Although the GoPro case that I got, I might just use that because it's smaller and it's better to transport things. This is just a good case so you can hold all your accessories. You cannot go wrong. I mean, this is great for any occasion, anything you're going to run into. They got you covered. I doubt you'll probably ever use. I doubt I'll probably use all this stuff, but at least you have it. Let's go to Amazon here so you know which one we're looking at. And so the HUSIWay Accessories Kit for GoPro Hero 10 and 9, black waterproof housing, silicone case, glass screen protector bundle, compatible with GoPro 10, GoPro 9, Hero 10, Hero 9 action camera. It was $53.99. I got Prime delivery, so it got to me within a day. Gives you a list of all the instructions, what's in there. And the reason why I chose this bundle over some of the other bundles is because this one had the silicone housing and the waterproof case. And that I kind of really wanted. Some of the other ones that had either or, one or the other. This one seemed to encompass all your needs, all the things you're going to need, so you can't go wrong. Let me know what you think in the description below. Which one did you get? Was this helpful? Did this help you decide on which accessories kit is going to be right for you? Let me know. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.